Local and TMR agents, how are you guys today? Rick Rapp here again, broker owner of Travers Moran Realty. Today I want to talk to all of you about one task a day. We've all heard that common phrase of an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it's a good way to think about your career in real estate is to be sure that you're always doing at least one task per day. Now, of course, we want to have days where we've got a ton going on, writing contracts, submitting offers, showing buyers, getting listings, inputting things into the MLS. Those are big, positive, great experience days. But there are going to be times when you have these slow periods in the real estate career where you may wake up and say, not much is going on, I'm just not going to do anything today, maybe I'll go to the pool, I'll go to the beach. And sometimes that's okay. But we do want to focus all the time on completing at least one task a day. Now these tasks can be anything from going after and prospecting for new listings. They can be going after new buyers. They can be talking to your sphere of influence. They can be researching public records. They can be going after foreclosures. There's a lot of things that we could be doing on a daily basis, which unfortunately a lot of agents may think about doing, but not too often will they actually accomplish that task. From my perspective, I think it's a great way to kind of boost your interior kind of chutzpah to kind of keep yourself going. We never want to get to a place where we haven't been doing much for a couple of days or a couple of weeks at a time. Those are the kind of things that always kind of get you down in this industry and make you completely just give up on being in real estate or being a realtor altogether. Another great thing to think about is when you do at least one thing a day, these singular tasks can lead to other things. You may be researching foreclosures, for example, through public records and come across some very interesting information. You may be searching how to search for public records and find something about tax deed sales, something that gives you a little more insight as to maybe this is a different direction I can go into. You may find somebody that's going to foreclosure that lives in your neighborhood and maybe it's a farm that you want to start to go after, and that's a great way to kind of start building your farm. But the point is, if you do at least one thing a day, you're going to put your head on the pillow at night knowing that you've accomplished at least something, and I promise you, these singular tasks can lead to more business over time. So if you need help with doing that, or if that's something that interests you but just don't know kind of what to do for kind of a task a day, what can I be doing? Come in and talk to me. I've got many things that we can do to set up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These are things that you can be doing on your calendar to be sure that you remain in the business. The more you do, the better you will get. Practice makes perfect is what they say all the time, right? If you're a local agent looking for a new broker, also come in, set up an appointment and talk with us. I love working with new agents. I love working with seasoned agents. We do a lot here at the office, kind of help everybody grow. We are a broker that is truly hands-on and truly wants to help the agents. We're not just about recruiting. We want to help you build your career and maintain your career. So if it's something that you're interested in, shoot us an email, admin@traversmoranrealty.com. Reply to this email that you've just received. Text me at 954-873-1801. Shoot into the office, whatever it takes, just come in and talk to us. All right, guys, thanks so much for listening. I'll talk to you all again next week.